In the US alone, 50 million surgery procedures are done each year in around 6,000 hospitals. Saving cost is one of the biggest challenges for the healthcare industry. Hospitals today are struggling to cope with limited resources, increased clinical demand, and more complex procedures. AHA revealed that nurses spend large proportions of their time on documentation, preparing equipment, asset tracking, and repetitive chores rather than patient care. Hospitals today are using repetitive, time-consuming counting procedures, have lack of traceability, poor use of resources, and are error-prone. It represents the third leading cause of death in the US, right after heart disease and cancer. According to the latest estimates, 350,000 Americans die from preventable hospital errors every year. Food and Drugs Administration has implemented new regulations, including the unique device identification, requiring hospitals to trace all equipments and consumables. New UDI regulations will improve patient safety and asset management workflow in hospitals. The healthcare market is undergoing a digital transformation, such as electronic records, mHealth, and predictive analytics. Hospitals are looking for ways to redefine value propositions and innovate through new products and services. According to McKinsey, big data could enable more than $300 billion in savings per year in the US healthcare system alone. No solution is currently satisfactory. Man traceability, manual UDI compliance, slow and costly. Barcode time is over, not unique identification, fades with sterilization washes, needs line of sight, slow and also time consuming. Tau has developed a total solution connecting over 95% of surgical instruments, enabling hospitals to capture critical data. Tau's solution improves on time starts and/or turnover time, saving hospitals millions of dollars a year in cost. Tau's solution is FDA compliant, UDI ready biocompatible, ISO 18006C compliant, automate existing processes, repeatable and scalable, has a rapid ROI, reduces RSI and infection risk, optimize surgical instrument workflow in OR and SPD. Tau's unique ultra-high frequency RFID tags are designed to be small and light for attachment to smaller surgical instruments. At the same time, these tags can withstand harsh repeated autoclave cycles for the life of the instrument. UHF RFID readers collect data from Tau's tagged devices during its life cycle. Instrument pack collected from sterile storage area for surgery. Instrument pack taken into the OR, unpacked and counter before surgery. Instrument and tray tracking and monitoring during surgery. Instrument and tray counting at the completion of surgery. Instrument and tray transported to CSSD, sharp item disposed. Instrument and tray sorted into hand wash and automated wash. Instrument and tray cleaning and drying. Instrument and tray inspection, assembly and packaging. Instrument pack labeling and sterilization. Sterile instrument and tray moved to the sterile storage area. Instrument pack collected from the sterile storage area for surgery. Tau Data digital platform generates additional millions of dollars a year in revenue for the hospital on top of cost savings, better asset and workflow management, and increased patient safety. Surgical instruments are correctly sterilized after each procedure. Which surgeon used this surgical item on Wednesday in OR3? Instrument utilization metrics. Measurement of productivity and performance. Facilitate reconciliation of items between OR and SPD. Where was it stored? When should it be sent to maintenance? Disposed? How many times has it been used? Tau is the only UHF identification solution meeting FDA UDI requirements, able to provide batch reading and unmanned data capture. Tao's technology has been tested in the US, Europe and Asia by Fortune 500 companies. Tao is recognized by leading healthcare companies as the best solution out there for connecting surgical items. Tao's proprietary technology has strong intellectual property, over 20 patents approved in the US and Europe and many other patents pending. Tao has received international awards for the revolution its technology brings to healthcare. Tao has received the Red Herring 100 award given to the top 100 technological companies in the world. Other winners include Sony, Intel, Amazon and PayPal, and many international awards.